to get a quick drink real quick. Just got done. I just dropped my girlfriend off at the mall. Been kind of busy this morning. Had to go to work for a little while, and then had to do some other things on some maintenance on the van, and try to get everything back out of the van and get everything organized for this coming up Saturday, guys. But right after this, we were headed to AutoZone. I need to get some windshield wipers because it has been raining for the van, because the windshield wipers on the van suck. Yeah, can't see when they're going, so we'll get those going. Man, they said it's supposed to rain on Saturday night, so I'm hoping it don't, but just keep our fingers crossed and hopefully things are good. But let's get through this line so I get my Dr. Pepper real quick and get it moving over to AutoZone. Quick side note, guys, I gotta say, because I know my car doesn't have one no more, the 350Z doesn't have a heater. I'm loving the heater in the van, guys. I really am, you know. This thing does have AC. We do got to get it working now before the summertime. But we'll get that all torn apart, put back together, and then get it recharged and stuff, so that we ain't sweating trying to drive during the summertime. We're going to the track and stuff, guys. We need something to cover the positive terminal on the car. So we got covers, guys. This is the last thing, guys. This is the last thing we needed. We are ready to pass tech inspection once we go to the drift track. I got one for the negative too. Might as well. So guys, I had already unplugged the battery, that way it didn't short out in this rain, because it's definitely not waterproof no more. So I had put this big old zip tie so I can pull the trunk release. But as you can tell, the battery is disconnected. No biggie though. When I had first got out the car, guys, the struts on this thing were shot, and it would come down and hit you back in the head. I gotta say, it's like one of the best investments I did. But here's the battery, guys. And here's the new covers. So that's the only issue, guys. That sucks. Oh well, we'll work it out. So the bowl on this is too long, so I'm gonna have to grind that down. But it's a little bit too late to grind it down right now. But hey, at least we got the covers, and I get rid of this nasty looking electrical tape on here. Don't have to worry about that no more, because you know, just say it looks ugly, guys. Kind of hard to do with my hand, guys. But we got it. We got it. There it is. So we decided to get a little something to eat here at IHOP. IHOP. Sweet pancakes. I think, yeah, too sweet. But besides that fact, it's time for us to get home. It's a little bit late, so I'll probably end up doing the bolts tomorrow to make them fit and stuff like that. But just get home. It's time for us to crash out, relax for a little bit. So till tomorrow, peace.